Yeah? Good girl. Say hi, Auntie Penny. Say hi, Auntie Penny.
Hi, I'm Penny.
I love you.
I love you.
Say hi, Jenna.
I'm Dana.
Hi, Megan.
I'm Regan.
Hi, Sarah.
I'm Sarah.
What about Uncle Lynn?
Hi, Uncle Lynn.
Give them all kisses. Blow them kisses. Remember how to blow kisses? Give him a big kiss. Bye.
Hello, Penny.
Wave. Wave.
Hi, Uncle Penny. Hi, Dada.
Are you counting?